In this video, I'm going to be telling you why Darn Tough socks are the best socks that money can buy. Woo! Thanks for joining me today. I am Logan Brown and this is Handy Daddy Carpentry, where I do product reviews, tips and tricks for carpentry around the house, and occasional vlogs with the family. I am a carpenter in Chicago for the last 4 years, and so I burned through products very quickly in a rugged industry. Pants, shirts, jeans, tools, and especially socks. If you're here on this video, you maybe already know a little bit about Darn Tough socks. What's the biggest thing about them? They have a lifetime warranty. Now, any product, in my opinion, that has a lifetime warranty is a product that is standing on their quality and believes that they have created and made something very, very special and very, very durable. Now, these Darn Tough socks that I have right here are about a year old, and you can see that their wear and tear is very minimal. They are made of merino wool, which is a type of wool that is found in New Zealand that has heating and cooling properties. Most of you would think of wool as a type of product that keeps your feet really warm, or a wool sweater or something that's very warm. The property of this type of wool also has special wicking abilities and cooling abilities because of where the sheep are located in the world. Now, a company that says they have a lifetime warranty for products is a pretty bold statement. Now, their warranty on their website says if Darn Tough socks are not the most comfortable, the most durable, or the best fitting socks that you've ever had, then you can return them and they'll exchange it out with a different pair. It doesn't necessarily say that they're going to refund your money. However, if you do give them a chance and try them out, they honestly are the most comfortable socks that you've ever had. So first, if we're talking about comfort, differently than other socks, these socks come in different sizes. I have a medium right here, so they have small, medium, large, and I think they have extra large. That is an indication of the tiers of quality that they're able to create. Darn Tough Socks is also a company that only makes socks. If you think about Smartwool, one of their main competitors, many of you know Smartwool as a brand. It's a good quality brand that also has high durability and really good warmth, for example, with their sweaters or shirts. The difference between them is that Smartwool makes tons of products. Smartwool will make all those things that I mentioned. But Darn Tough Socks, in their name it says socks. They really only make socks. To me, that is an indication that they have fine-tuned and spent so much time and energy to make the best of one specific product. Now, secondly, you might want to think about just durability. How long are these socks going to last me? Well, these pair right here I have are about 1 year old, and I wear these probably every few days, so once or twice a week, and they are still pristine condition. They're very stretchy and tight. The bottoms are not worn out, like there's no holes and no thinning really even. Now, I do have a pair of older socks that are maybe 2 years old about, and you can see that they look a little bit more tattered or weathered. For example, there's some discoloration here on this one. Maybe I stepped in something, I'm not sure. There's it looks like some of the cushioning is also disappearing or wearing down. But if that turns into a hole at any point, so here's some more cushioning that has worn down in the back. If that turns into a hole at any point, I can return this free of charge for another pair. So really, it kind of is like a never-ending sock. Another thing about Darn Tough socks that I think is very, very interesting is that they have different levels of cushioning that they offer. So not only do they have small, medium, large of a specific sock, they have different levels of cushioning for different types of thing. They have work ones with a certain amount of cushioning, they have hiking ones with a certain amount of cushioning, and they have dress ones with less amount of cushioning, or athletic socks with less amount of cushioning. One negative that I have found is that the cushioning is something that seems to wear out or kind of like disintegrate over time the more times you put it in the dryer, for example. However, it doesn't wear out enough to me that it annoys me or makes me upset. It's just noticeable. So the higher level of cushioning that you would order or use, the more likely that that could wear out or run out quicker. But again, If it wears out, or if anything is uncomfortable and you don't like them for any reason, return them. Get a brand new pair. That leads us to the question of the day. What are your favorite brand of socks? Another really cool fact about merino wool specifically is that it wicks away moisture from your feet and then it dries out. I mean, that would be true of regular wool too, but merino wool does it in a more efficient way, supposedly, according to the webs. That's right, the webs. Now you might ask, what are the cons? The biggest con is probably the cost. On average, these socks are between $20 and $22. Sometimes you can find they have different lengths and cuts as well, and different cushioning like I mentioned. Sometimes you can find them for $16, $12. That's really a good steal at outdoor stores like REI or Dick's Sporting Goods, different places like that. And I'll include a link in the description below if you want to check them out on Amazon. But for many people, that's a tough pill to swallow. $20 for a pair of socks, when normally you could probably spend $20 and get 6 to 10 pair of Adidas or Nike, other decent quality brands. But again, you will not be getting that warranty and that high level of quality that Darn Tough guarantees. Pretty much socks for life. So what I would recommend is trying one pair and see what you think. See if you think they're comfortable and if you think that they're worth $20. And let me know in the comments below if you think that $20 is too much for a pair of socks, and I'll try to connect with you guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want more content like this, and I will see you guys in my next video.